Monarchs, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I have a Beetles Gel X kit from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I have my nail tips pre-measured. I'm going to be using my electric nail drill to buff out a little bit on the nail tips. Now to file our actual nails. Dust off all that residue that was left behind. I'm using the nail glue to apply the nail tips. Apply a good amount onto nail tip, place onto nail, and press down firmly. Move it over to the UV lamp. For my first nail, I saw that I pressed down and it had bubbles, and I applied more glue and repeated the process. It can happen, but not to worry, it can be solved. Go ahead and continue this method to the rest of the nails. Using my kiss nail tip cutter to cut down the tips to my desired length. I always start off small to see how I'm liking the length of my nails. Now for the fun part, to decorate the nails. I'm using black and nude paint colors. I'm using this size brush to apply the paint onto my nails, applying nude to my middle, thumb, and ring finger. I'm using this size brush to apply black to my pinky and index finger. After a few layers, this is how they look. I'm using my dotting tool to design the cheetah print onto my ring finger. using my matte gel top coat from Sally Hansen to coat them off. Of course, don't forget to cure under the UV lamp. Are you guys ready? Voila! Now for the cuticle oil. And just like that, all done. Let me know in the comments below what else you want me to try or what nail design you have for me. Thank you all so much for watching. It means the world to me. I'm literally like 100 away from 500, but I feel like I'm so close. This means everything to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next week. Bye!